Hey guys, what's good? Before we head on to the video, you want to make sure that you subscribe and hit that bell icon that you always get to know about the new video and the notifications.
So guys, a very warm welcome to BodyProCoach Nutrition. I am Maahek Nair and that is Praveen Nair, and today we are going to be doing a vegan crispy corn tikki for you.
It's time to see the recipe now.
One cup chopped corn, 1 small cup spring onion, half red bell pepper chopped finely, broccoli 1 cup grated finely, half a cup water, 1 cup chickpeas flour, pink Himalayan salt and red paprika. First, in a mixing bowl we're going to add 1 cup chopped corn. Next I'm going to add 1 cup broccoli, half red bell pepper, spring onion, salt as per taste, red paprika, 1 cup chickpeas flour and little water. I'm going to nicely mix it into a dough. Okay, I'm going to use my hands for this. And our crispy corn is ready to go over the flame. So we're going to take a pan, add some olive oil to it, spread it around and then put our crispy corn tikkis. In a pan we're going to add approximately 1 tablespoon of olive oil and then evenly spread it over. Once the oil is evenly spread on the pan, I'm going to add my crispy corn tikkis to the same on medium flame. And once they are well done on one side, we're going to flip the side. I have added bare minimum oil. So if you add a little more oil, the tikkis are going to be slightly more crunchier. So our crispy vegan corn tikki is ready. Simple ingredients, easy to make, really quick, really yummy.
Yeah, the cool thing about this one is that it provides you a lot of fiber and it's something which is very simple to make it, as in she said. So go out there, enjoy the recipe, and we're looking forward to see you in the next video. Please do share the video and like the video. Thank you.
Thank you.